Hello everybody and welcome to Dr. Niki's tutorials. In this video we are going to see how to share our own screen on Google Meeting. So let's go to Meet, open the meeting is already open here. Click on here and under in the bottom you may find a button called Present Now. Click on it and here is three options. You may share just a window of these windows that are open, or share a Chrome tab, just a Chrome tab, for example, this tab or something, and you can also share your entire screen. So let's try this entire screen, and as you can see, it's telling me this. I'm gonna share, choose the screen, click share. So now my screen is sharing. I'm gonna click here to start sharing. Send. You are presenting your screen. So let's start presenting. And that's going to turn off. If you guys enjoyed the video, any questions, write down below for us in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And have a good day.